Hello, this is my Airbnb in Seoul. I just got in. This is what it looks like before I've done anything to it. So from the door to the left we have a little kitchen and a microwave and a fridge. Got some water, looks okay, and empty. Then we have a big thing of tissue paper, hell yeah, toilet paper, and a little for your shoes. And we have a vacuum cleaner. Here is the bed. And there is AC and a window. There's no view. That's the view. Okay, then we have a little table and chair, a big dresser. I guess that's extra bedding. And here's the bathroom. Okay, the floor is a little wet. Toilet seems good. Oh, there is a cabinet. Let's see. Some stuff left over from other guests. And okay, it's one of those ones where the shower is in the bathroom again. Hello. And let's see. Right here. And there's a little window. Now there's like this kind of stuff, but that's just because I think this is an old apartment. Otherwise it seems okay. Let's check the bedding. Seems okay. So that's good. So I'll be here until Saturday. It's currently Monday. So there we go.